Why are strategic planning and goal setting crucial in the banking industry? And do you know how it can be effectively executed? To answer these questions, we delve into the world of objectives and key results, commonly known as OKRs. OKRs are a goal-setting framework that aligns strategic planning with measurable results. They have been adopted by several high-performing organizations, including those in the banking industry. The reason? They provide a clear, quantifiable, and focused way to track progress, create alignment, and encourage engagement around measurable goals. Imagine a banking institution. Let's call it Bank A. Bank A has a strategic plan to improve customer satisfaction. Their objective could be something like increase overall customer satisfaction. But how do they measure progress towards this objective? This is where key results come in. They might say, reduce average customer service call wait time by 50%, or increase the number of positive customer feedback by 30%. These are specific, quantifiable outcomes that can be measured and tracked over time. But drafting effective OKRs in the banking industry isn't a walk in the park. It requires a deep understanding of the banking landscape and a keen sense of the unique challenges and opportunities present. In drafting objectives, it's crucial to ensure they are aligned with the bank's strategic goals. They should be ambitious, yet realistic. The key results, on the other hand, should be measurable and directly influence the achievement of the objective. Take the case of a bank aiming to transform its digital services. An objective could be successfully transition to a digital-first banking model. The key results could include increase mobile app downloads by 70%, increase the percentage of transactions done digitally by 60%, and reduce in-branch transactions by 40%. The beauty of OKRs lies in their adaptability. They can be used to drive success in various areas of banking, from customer satisfaction and digital transformation to risk management and financial performance. To implement OKRs effectively, it's essential to communicate them clearly across the organization. Everyone should understand the objectives and their role in achieving the key results. Regular check-ins are necessary to track progress, discuss challenges, and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, drafting effective OKRs in the banking industry requires a strategic mindset, a clear understanding of the industry's unique landscape, and a commitment to continuous tracking and adjustment. When done right, OKRs can be a powerful tool for driving success in the banking industry. So as you navigate the banking landscape, remember the power of strategic planning and goal setting, and consider the value that OKRs could bring to your organization.